everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we have another latest in beauty unboxing. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Irina and latest in beauty is the only beauty box that I have at the minute, so that's the only unboxing that I do at the minute on my channel. The way I do it is that I tell a little bit about latest in beauty, and then I do like a quick review of my previous box, and then I go on into unboxing my new box. And as usual, there will be timestamps or chapters on the actual play bar because I've figured out how to do those. So you can skip ahead if there is something that you are not interested in. So if you never heard of Latest in Beauty, this is a beauty subscription box in the UK. You get 6 items for £12.95, and then there's postage and packaging on top of that. But once you've been with them 3 months, you become a pro, and then there's no postage and packaging fees anymore. And you also get 15% of their collection boxes. What's different about Latest in Beauty is that you pick your own items. However, when you get on the beauty counter on the website, you have to be careful which sizes you pick because the sizes are not clearly advertised. So once you click on each item, you will see the sizes and you will see more information, reviews, ingredients. So there is quite a lot of information about the products that you're picking, so you know exactly what you're getting. And this is something that I quite enjoy about this box. I make sure that I pick items that I want to try and items that I will use. They have everything when it comes to beauty, like makeup, skincare, hair care, you name it. But they also have, sometimes they have teas, sometimes they have supplements, or sometimes they have things for the house as well. There will be a link in the description box which is a referral code, so you get 20% off your first box if you want to sign up through that link. You don't have to, but if you do, thank you. It just gives me a little bit of a discount to spend on the website. But anyway, through that link you can also check out and see what else they have to offer and how the subscription works a little bit better and all things like that. So now I'm going to start with my previous boxes. I did go a little bit crazy and I got 2 boxes last time, and that's 17 items in total, so I will not mention all of them. I will just tell you what I've used and things that I haven't mentioned last time, because I had a few repeats in there and I told you I picked them again. Right, so I have chosen last time in my first box the Bougie Lounge bath whips. These are really nice. I found them that they work better as body washes rather than bubble bath. They don't froth as much as I would like them as a bubble bath, but as a body wash they're very nice. They feel very soft and moisturizing, and they smell absolutely lovely. So I was very pleased with those. I have also picked a micellar water from Botanics. I haven't used this one as much. I have tried it a little bit. It works as a micellar water, but I don't have much of an opinion on it because I have picked other micellar waters in the past, and I'm trying to go through those first. Then I've also picked the rejuvenating mask from Beauty Pro. I have used this one. It was quite nice. Right, and then what else did I use? I think we're gonna go into box 2 from what I've used. Right, from box 2 I had the exfoliating shampoo from Bouclem, which I am quite enjoying. I have had a scalp scrub in the past, just a scrub, not a shampoo, and I found it very hard for it to actually get to my scalp, to my skin. But this one, maybe because it's a shampoo and it's a little bit more liquid, it gets in there a little bit better. I do find it a little bit harsh though. Just has a slight tingling sensation on my scalp, so I only use it maybe once a week, maybe even less. But it gets in there and it does feel quite exfoliating as well. The Smug pillow spray I didn't like. The scent of it is a little bit too strong for me. I passed it on. And then also from there I've used the nail polish. It's a quick drying nail polish which I really enjoy. That's kind of like my thing. I only go for quick drying nail polishes because I don't have the patience to wait for my nail polish to dry, and I always smudge it. So quick drying is the way to go for me, and I quite enjoy that. It's got a nice shade as well. And I also had the Beauty Kitchen hand sanitizer, which when I saw hand sanitizer, I was like, oh dear. But then I smelled it, and then we've been using it since, and yeah, it is very, very nice, and it's got quite a calming scent to it as well. So it's quite nice to use that after you've like been to the shops or whatever. Let's go into unboxing my June box. This actually arrived, I think when I upload this video it will be about a week since this arrived. So it was beginning of July when it arrived. What happened was that when I placed my order, they had a very high volume of orders, so they had delays. I think it took exactly 10 days for my box to be dispatched. But it's fine, everything is here, everything is accounted for, so you know, I don't mind waiting because things like that happen. So first of all, I've got some manual things. I'm not sure whether this is for all members, I think, and then the rest are depending on what you pick. So there's one from Uganda, there's one from Austria, there's a little code there, and then one from Bamboo Bandages. No, this is not a discount code or anything, it's just a little, like a little leaflet telling you about them, so that gives you a little bit of a sneak peek as to what's in this box. So I have this Austria Renaissance mask. This one was the Hall of Fame, and this is what it looks like. It is quite perfumed, but I'll have to see how it's like when I actually put it on my face. The scent of it might be quite nice actually. Then I had more Dr. Teal's, this time in the Relax and Relief version with eucalyptus and spearmint, and I think I'm really going to enjoy this one. Then I've picked from Ooooo the Flyaway Control. This is kind of like a clear gel. You know, sometimes clear brow gel, you can use it to tame your flyaways when you got a ponytail. This is basically what it's made for. So you can use it for your brows or for your flyaways. This is the one there. This is how it looks like. Then I was quite happy to see Natura again on the drop. Last time they had products from Natura, the ones that I picked anyway were absolutely excellent. So I jumped at the chance to pick one again. This is a Maracuja Triple Phase Shower Oil. So it says that what does it do? Enhances skin's natural glow, leaves skin feeling soft. Enjoy the Maracuja Triple Phase Shower Oil, rich in essential fatty acids, with an ultra-light texture that protects and delicately perfumes skin. And to use, shake, apply to skin and rinse. So when you shake, everything mixes together and ends up this shade. But the scent of it, I had a sniff before, and oh my goodness, it is so intense and so nice. And I can't wait to use this. Then I've also picked from Patch the Black Bamboo Hypoallergenic Breathable Bandages. I really wanted to try these. That's just information in different languages, by the way. I think I had this one on the counter maybe a year ago, but it was back then they used to do one drop every day, and I wanted to try them then, but by the time I got to pick, they were all gone. So it was good that they were there again, so I could pick them again, because I'm very, very intrigued by the concept of this. Well, not pick them again, but just pick them, you know. Yeah, interesting. That's what they look like. I'm not going to open them because then I've got to discard one, and I don't want to, but I'm guessing they look black. Yeah, I'll keep you posted. And then the last thing in my box is the Four Sigmatic face mask. I was extremely intrigued by this because it is described as an edible face mask. Right, so there are little sachets inside. And there is even nutrition information on the back. So to use this, You mix one packet with half a teaspoon of water and apply to face. Rinse off after 10 minutes. It's organic, adaptogenic, and edible. Okay, well, why would you eat it? And it has cocoa powder, coconut palm sugar, coconut milk, then some fruit extracts, leaf powder, root extract. It has bentonite clay. Why would you put clay in your body? Seed extract and pink Himalayan salt. I'm guessing it's kind of like a marketing thing just to get people to talk about it. I don't know. If you know better than me, just let me know. But I'm thinking that's what it is. Kind of like just get, you know, have like a marketing thing to set themselves apart a little bit. But yeah, I'll be quite interested in trying these. Okay, so these are my June picks. And next time I upload another latest in beauty unboxing, I will tell you what I thought of these items. Obviously the ones that I have tried by then. I will not have a box in July because I have paused or skipped a month, whatever you want to call it. The thing is, with July, there wasn't much that interested me from the drops that they have in July, because they do the preview before the 1st of every month. I think I was maybe interested in like 3 products, and even though I could pick things from previous drops, I think with me going a little bit crazy in May with 3 boxes in total and all the freebies and all the free items that I got, I think I'm good for a little while. I can skip a month without feeling like I'm missing out or anything. So my next box after this would be August. So yeah, these are my picks. Let me know if you picked any of these, if you tried them, what do you think of them. Also, what do you think of the July drops? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see more of my face and more of these unboxings. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.